Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add object in Snapseed. Snapseed does not currently offer a direct way to add objects like people, animal, or complex shapes into your photo. However, you can use the double exposure feature to work around the situation. Tap open the Snapseed application and tap on the middle of the screen where you can see the plus button. Now go ahead and select your base image you'd like to work on with. Once you've chosen your desired image, tap on the Tools option at the bottom, and in the pop-up menu, select Double Exposure at the very bottom of the screen. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom left and choose the image of an object you want to add. This can be a text cutout or a simple logo. Here I've added a pink circle on the image as an object. You can now adjust the size and position of the added object using pinch and drag gesture. After you do that, click on the opacity button at the bottom right, which looks like a dewdrop icon, and then increase the opacity or decrease the opacity to make the object look more or less visible on the screen. After you control how much of the background image shows throughout the added object, you can now go to the bottom right and tap the tick mark. Tap on the export button at the bottom right and export your video like you normally do after you are happy with the result. So that is the only way you will be able to add an object on Snapseed. That was one way, but if you want to do it on a more complex objects, then you can go ahead and use Photoshop Express, PixArt, or other editing softwares. So that is it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.